So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money into XRP here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, I'm going to go to the bottom middle right area and select Cash Out. Once you're here, if you were to go to the bottom under crypto, you'll only see Bitcoin, Litecoin, Solana, and Dogecoin. So to get XRP specifically, go to the top, press on Stake, then scroll to the bottom and find XRP, which in my case is right here under recommended. XRP, the black icon, select that. Once you're here, you have to do this through stake.com. So type in your username, the amount, and go to the bottom and press withdraw. And there you go. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. That's how to withdraw money into XR from XR, how to withdraw money from Freecash into XRP. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.